Hey, what's up guys, my name is Asu and you are watching Techy. So in this video, I will show you how to download and install VIVO IPL 11 patch for eSports Cricket 7. So let's begin. First of all, you will need these 4 files to play this game. First file is eSports Cricket 2007, second is IPL 2018 full patch files, third is JUKE and fourth is profile and roster. So first we will install Cricket 7 file. I've already installed it, so I'm not installing it again. So you have to install all these files. Now after you have installed all these files, first of all you have to go to IPL 2018 full patch files, copy all these files and paste into eSports KK 2007 folder. Will not take much time. It has been pasted. Now move to this box. First of all, copy to save and file. Go to Cricket 7 folder where we have copied IPL 2018 patch files. Click on the OD and paste that replace file. Now again go to the Gbox folder. Now copy the first file to that folder. Then again go to the Cricket 7 folder and paste into it. Now move to roster and profile files. Copy all these 4 files. Before copying my documents, I want to tell you that if your laptop or PC have high graphics or 4 GB RAM, you should use IPL high graphics profile. If your laptop or PC have medium graphics, so you have to use medium graphics profile, and if your PC have a low graphics, so you have to use IPL low graphics profile. I've copied all this file. Then go to my eSports Cricket 7. I've already pasted. The download link of all these files I have given in the description box, and I have also given a file in the description box. If the IPL 11 patch it did not work, so that's it for this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe our channel.